Hello guys, nagbabalik ulit ang ating haul. So I have one bag na i-haul today. Let me show it to you. Meron tayong fruit roll-ups mini rolls. At meron siyang 36 pouches. Ito yung pag sa school, yung mga bata, yung you can put their name at kung kanino galing. So, fruit roll-ups, mini rolls, fruit flavored snacks. It has 36 pieces na pouches. And it's gluten-free, no artificial flavor. Tapos, ano siya? Ilang ounces to? 13.3 ounce. Yan. Yan ang una. And then, meron tayong Lindor. We have Lindor chocolate. And this one, it says smooth milk. So, milk chocolate siya. There you go. And then we have one Hershey's milk chocolate. It's 10.35 ounce. Ayan. And then, maraming roll-ups. Ito yung laman ng isang box na yun. So, yan yung itsura niya. I already opened it. So, yan. 36 pieces. Kasi kung may 36 nga ito. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 25 plus 4, so 29 pieces na siya, yung mga nakahiwalay na. And then I also have Peppa Pig Finders Keepers. It says age 3+. Milk chocolate candy and toy surprise. And it has 0.7 ounce. So meron tayong isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim na Peppa Pig candy surprise, toy surprise. So yan lang guys, small haul lang ito, and then I'll show you the recap. So this is the recap ng ating haul for today. We have fruit roll-ups na may 36 pouches. It's the Valentine's roll-ups. And then one Lindor, the red one right there. And then Hershey's, one bag of Hershey's milk chocolate. And then 6 Peppa Pig milk chocolate candy and toy surprise. And then 29 na fruit roll-ups also. Parang kung ano yung laman nun, ayan siya, wala lang box. So yan guys, ang ating haul for today. Please like and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, I do haul videos. I do cooking, gardening, not right now because it's winter here. Some unboxing also. So, yun guys. Please support my channel. This is Mom Cat Life in Cali. God bless you. And see you on the next video.